Welcome back to Britology. Today, we're stepping inside something that completely redefines the meaning of travel. Imagine a rolling mansion worth $5 million, cruising through the scenic roads of the United Kingdom. This isn't just a motorhome. This is the world's most luxury motorhome. A 3-story architectural masterpiece on wheels that blends cutting-edge engineering with billionaire-level comfort. From the very first glance, this motorhome doesn't look like a traditional RV. It's bold black and silver. Exterior shines under the soft UK sunset, with sleek aerodynamic curves and glossy, metallic finishes that reflect pure sophistication. LED accent lighting runs along its body, giving it a futuristic glow at night. Parked beside palm-lined luxury villas or overlooking coastal cliffs, it looks less like a vehicle and more like a modern, glass mansion that just happens to move. As you approach, the grand automatic staircase extends smoothly from the side, illuminated with soft ambient lighting. Every detail is designed to impress before you even step inside. The lower deck features a built-in luxury car garage, seamlessly integrated into the body of the motorhome. Yes, this rolling mansion carries its own sports car inside. With a hydraulic platform system, the car slides in and out effortlessly, making it perfect for city arrivals in London, Manchester, or Edinburgh. Step inside the main entrance, and you're welcomed into a double-height living lounge, wrapped in floor-to-ceiling glass. Natural light floods the interior during the day, while at night, warm golden lighting creates a 5-star hotel atmosphere. Italian marble flooring stretches across the space, paired with custom cream leather sofas and gold-accented coffee tables. Every surface feels premium. Every angle feels cinematic. The first level is dedicated to entertainment and relaxation. There's a fully automated smart system controlling lighting, temperature, blinds, and sound with just one touch. A hidden 85-inch Ultra HD screen rises from the floor at the press of a button. Surround sound speakers are built into the walls, creating a private cinema experience while parked anywhere across the UK countryside. Moving toward the rear, you'll find a gourmet kitchen that rivals luxury apartments in central London. Glossy cabinetry with soft close mechanisms, quartz countertops, gold-trimmed fixtures, and top-of-the-line integrated appliances. There's a wine cooler stocked with premium selections, an induction hob steam oven, and even a built-in coffee station. This kitchen isn't designed for basic travel meals. It's built for hosting elegant dinners while overlooking breathtaking landscapes. As we ascend to the second floor via the illuminated floating staircase, the experience becomes even more exclusive. This level is dedicated to private living quarters. The master bedroom features a king-sized bed upholstered in velvet, with panoramic glass walls offering stunning sunrise views. Smart privacy glass transforms from transparent to opaque at the touch of a button. The ceiling above mimics a starlit sky at night, creating a peaceful luxury retreat. The ensuite bathroom feels like a high-end spa in Mayfair. Marble walls, a rainfall shower with temperature memory settings, dual vanity sinks with gold hardware and heated flooring. There's even a compact soaking tub designed with elegant curves, allowing you to relax while the motorhome is parked in complete serenity. Every inch is crafted for comfort and privacy. Across the hall, a private guest suite ensures that visitors experience the same 5-star treatment. Plush bedding, built-in wardrobes with LED-lit interiors, and a stylish bathroom complete the space. This motorhome isn't just about personal luxury. It's about sharing the experience. Now let's head to the third and most breathtaking level, the rooftop deck. This is where the $5 million price tag truly comes to life. A glass-enclosed lounge area transitions into an open-air terrace with luxury seating and oversized umbrellas. There's a rooftop jacuzzi-style plunge pool with temperature control, surrounded by teak decking and ambient lighting. Imagine relaxing here with a glass of champagne while overlooking the British coastline at sunset. The rooftop also includes an outdoor bar station with refrigerated storage and mood lighting, making it perfect for evening gatherings. The combination of height, privacy, and panoramic views transforms this motorhome into a mobile penthouse suite. Whether parked near the Lake District or along the Cornish coast, the experience feels surreal. But luxury isn't just about appearance. This rolling mansion is powered by advanced hybrid technology, ensuring smooth performance and reduced environmental impact. Air suspension guarantees a stable ride even on uneven terrain. State-of-the-art security systems, including biometric entry and 360-degree surveillance cameras, provide complete peace of mind. Storage compartments are cleverly hidden throughout the design, maintaining a clean and elegant aesthetic. High-speed satellite internet keeps you connected anywhere in the UK, making it ideal for entrepreneurs, celebrities, or digital creators who want freedom without sacrificing productivity. What truly sets this motorhome apart is its balance of mobility and extravagance. Traditional mansions are fixed in one location. Private jets take you places but don't let you live in the journey. This $5 million masterpiece allows you to wake up in the Scottish Highlands, have lunch overlooking the Cotswolds, and watch the sunset by the sea, all while surrounded by unmatched comfort. It's not just transport. It's a lifestyle statement, a symbol of freedom for those who refuse to compromise between luxury and adventure. The world of ultra-luxury travel is evolving, and this motorhome stands at the very top. A rolling mansion that proves you don't need a permanent address to live in. Absolute elegance. If you could travel anywhere in the UK in this $5 million motorhome, where would your first stop be? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love exploring the world's most luxurious creations, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Bertology, and turn on notifications so you never miss an exclusive tour like this. See you in the next one.